Hello everyone, I am Ritika Juzgar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So in today's video, we discuss about the queening model and Poisson process. So in the queening model, this model contains some applications like customers waiting in line, assembly line, and packets in a network. So all these type of examples or problems contain the queening model. Okay, so customer waiting in line, assembly line, and packet in a network. Okay, so want to know, so this queuing model is average number of customers in the system. Okay, so if we are having one example for the customer waiting in line. Okay, so in the queuing model we want to know about average number of customers in the system and average delay experienced by a customer. So is this queuing model is quantity is obtained in terms of arrival rate of customers and service rate. Okay, so if you are performing the customer waiting in line type model, so in that we want to know the average number of customers in the system and average delay experienced by a customer, and also we have to we can obtain the arrival rate of customer and a service rate in the queuing model. So this is the basic structure of a queuing model. So in that we have a population, different number of customers are present here. So each time only one customer is arrived here in the queuing system in the queue. Queue is what? The first in first out manner. So if the first customer is arrived here in this queue, then second, then third, fourth, fifth, sixth and so on. Okay, so जो first customer यहाँ पे arrive होगा in queue, वो first exist होगा from a queue. Okay, so this is the enter service, and so first is serves, then second serves and so on. Okay, so there are s number of customers are present in the queuing system, and these are the departed from here. So this is the basic structure of a queuing model. So see here, so we will discuss different varieties of queuing system, like customers in waiting line, assembly line, packet in a network. Okay. So the standard shorthand is used in much of the queuing literature for identifying the simple queuing models. So the shorthand assumes that the arrival times form a renewal process and the format, that is A, B, C. Okay. So here the A is what? The inter-arrival distribution. B is what? To specify the individual customer service time distribution. And the C is what? To indicate the number of serves. So this is the simple shorthand assumptions for arrival times from a renewal process, and the format is A, B and C. So here we are using the capital A, B and the small c. So in the common cases for the two positions are G equal to Gi for a general or arbitrary distribution. So G is a general and arbitrary distribution Gi. So M is a memory less for the exponential distribution. Ek is the Erlang for the gamma distribution of order k, number of k orders, and D is for the deterministic distribution or schedule of arrivals or a fixed service time. So there are some examples based on this queuing model. That is m/m/1 queue. Okay, so if you are considering here ABC contain A contain M, B contain M and C contain the 1. Okay, so why we are using C here? So this indicate the number of serves. Okay, so for C we are considering the 1 here. Okay, so for m/m/1 follows a Poisson process. Service times are exponential distributed and there is a single server. See here, if you are considering the MM1 for the single server queue, so here the lambda packet per seconds are contained in the buffer, and each time only one packet is served. Okay, so here mu is a packet per second. So service time is for 1 divided by u for a per packet. Only for per packet the service time is a 1 divided by u. So here, based on the A/B, C, so there are different examples are present for the poison process. So M/M/1 represent the poison arrivals exponential service time. Okay, for that one is a number of servers, only one server. The next is a M/G/1. So this is a poison arrivals for a general service times. Okay, for the general service time, and D is what a deterministic distribution. So M/D/1 is what the poison arrivals deterministic service time. So this is a fixed. So here the M/M/1 queue arrivals follow a poison process. Service times are exponential distributed, and there is a only single server. So in the M/G/1 we have a poison arrivals. So there are poison arrivals but arbitrarily distributed general services times, and the analysis proceed with the help of an embedded Markov chain. Okay, so for the M/G/1 we are using the Markov chain. For M/M/1 we are using the poison process. So see here, these are the different examples based on the queuing models. First is the M/M/1. So here in this model, the queue arrives follow a poison process service times are exponential distributed, and there is a only single server. So number xt of customer, x number of customers in the system at the time t form a birth and death process. Okay, this process is called as a birth and death process. The next is if you are having the queuing model like M/M/infinity. So in this queue, there are the poison arrivals and exponential distributed service times. Often self-service situations may be described by this model. So in the order literature, this is called as a telephone turning problem. Telephone turning problem. Okay, and if you are having the problem is M/G/1. So in this queue model, there are poison arrivals but arbitrarily distributed service time. Okay. So the analysis proceed with the help of an embedded Markov chain. So this type of problem is called as a model is called as a Markov chain. So this M/M/infinity problem is called as a telephonic running problem, and the M/M/1 problem is called as a birth and death process. Okay. See here. For the more elaboration, variations will also be set forth. So, balking in the refusal of a new customers to enter the system if the waiting line is too long. So, more generally in the queuing system, with the balking and arrival customers enter the system with the probability that depends on the size of the queue. Okay, so all the customers arrival into the queue is depending on the size of the queue. So here it is the important to distinguish between the arrival process and the input process. What is the arrival process and what is the input process? Okay, so arrival process is what all the customers are waiting for the service facility. Okay, and input process is uh, what person or what customer or what number of customers are presented in the queue for the service facility. So this is the input process. अराइवल process क्या हो सकती है कि कितने नंबर ऑफ वेटिंग में खड़े हैं सर्विस फैसिलिटी लेने के लिए. ओके, सो दिस इज द अराइवल प्रोसेस. ओके, सो एंटर द सिस्टम विथ प्रोबेबिलिटी. सो वो क्या करेगा, अगर वो डिसाइड करेगा कि उसको सर्विस फैसिलिटी चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए, वो होगा अराइवल प्रोसेस. अगर एक पर्टिकुलर कस्टमर को अगर सर्विस फैसिलिटी चाहिए तो वो क्या करेगा, क्यू के अंदर एंटर करेगा. ओके, अगर ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा है तो वो नहीं एंटर करेगा. अगर उसको वो मतलब वेट कर सकता है थोड़ा टाइम, सो वो क्या करेगा, क्यू के अंदर एंटर करेगा. सो दिस इज अ वेटिंग लाइन. सो यहाँ पे मल्टीपल नंबर ऑफ अराइवल प्रोसेस के अंदर कस्टमर्स हो सकते हैं, बट किसको एंटर करना है सर्विस फैसिलिटी के अंदर, सो वो होगा हमारा इनपुट प्रोसेस. सो दिस इज अ वेटिंग लाइन. तो ये होगी इनपुट प्रोसेस और अगर उसको वेटिंग लाइन में एंटर करना है सो ये होगा वेटिंग लाइन and customers waiting. Here the n number of customers are waiting. So here the important is to distinguish between what is the arrival process and the input process. So the special case is a queue with the overflow in which an arriving customer enters the queue if and only if there is at least one server free to begin the service immediately. So in this diagram, if the n number of customers are waiting in the queue system with the bulking and arrival customers enters the system with the probability of PM. Enter the system with the probability of a PM and does not enter with the probability 1 minus 1. अगर उसको क्यू के अंदर एंटर करना है तो वो प्रोबेबिलिटी दिखाएगा P of n. So अगर पर्टिकुलर कस्टमर को एंटर ही नहीं करना है so वो प्रोबेबिलिटी डिपार्ट द सिस्टम विद द प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 minus Pm. Okay, so in the priority queue the customers are allowed to be of different types. Both the service discipline and the service time distribution may vary with the customer type. Okay. So in the queuing network, it is a collection of service facility where the departures from the some stations form the arrivals of others. And the network is closed if the total number of customer is fixed. So the total number of customer is fixed with these customers continuously circulating through the system. So the machine repair model is an example of closed queuing network. So in the open queuing network, the customers may arrive from and depart to places outside the network as well as move from the station to the station. So the queuing network model have found much recent application in the design of complex information or complex information processing system. Okay.